Today's project is the old water line replacement. We have to call for the locates before we start digging, so the company will come and show us where is the gas bell hydro, so we get all of the clearances. We have to protect the work area outside with the tarps and inside with the drop sheets and plastic. We have to excavate area inside at the water meter and outside at the property line. In this case, it's at the main shut-off valve. And then we have to shoot the torpedo from inside the house to the property line. And pull the new 3/4 inch copper line. Connected to the shut-off valve outside. And reconnect it to the meter and install the new 3/4 inch ball valve. We have to support it. Backfill, compact and grade finished outside. And re-cement the excavating area inside. Clean up and dispose of all debris. And usually this work should take 1 day.